Today we're going to talk a little bit about circuit tracers to help you find a circuit. See how when I plugged this in, the light came on. That of course tells you, there it is off again. That of course tells you you've got a 120 volt hot circuit. That is a Klein brand circuit tracer. And here is the other part of that. This is the part that actually detects the circuit. Now we're going to go over to the other side where the panel is and use this tracer, this detector, to determine what circuit this plug is on. Okay, and here we are at the panel. Take our detector part and go ahead and push it to where you get that light and that ringing sound that tells you that it's ready to go. Then we set it up here and slowly go over the breakers. We heard it ring once, but you always go back and run it one more time. See, it rings on that number 2 breaker, doesn't it? Not a real strong signal, but it does ring. Now we reset it and run it again on the left side, the odd numbered side of the panel. Notice way up top, we got it to ring out on 1 again. So the only 2 circuits it's ringing out on are 1 and 2, which are on the same phase. Let's check the panel schedule and just see what it says. Look at that. Circuit number 1 says kitchen GFI fridge. So we're pretty sure that 1 in this case is the correct circuit. Very often these circuit tracers, which I just demonstrated, are useful because there is no longer a panel schedule, or the panel schedule is so old that it's no longer useful. So now we turn the circuit off, go to the other side, and confirm that we got the right one. And here we are back in the room. The tracer part of the circuit tracer set is turned off now. So we know that that was the right breaker because it turned this receptacle off. That panel was MP-2 and the circuit was 1. So now we're going to label this receptacle. And there we have it. We now know that this receptacle is from panel MP2, circuit 1, and we used this is a Klein brand. I own 3 circuit tracer sets like this. This particular one is my oldest and most reliable. I'm quite happy with it, but this is a circuit tracer and I just showed you how to use it.